take a look at the Peak Reader. Inside, you will find a game pouch. Inside the game pouch, you will find a book of red cards that describes several fun games that you can play with your student. We've also provided some of the materials for a couple of the games. You'll have 3 markers, 3 dry erase markers, 1 Peak Reader book, a magnifying glass, a notched card that you will use for the trail word exercise, and a fluency tracker. Inside your book, you will have a whiteboard, a plastic sleeve protector. You use this to protect all of the materials that you take out of the Peak Reader. Behind the first green tab is the Trail Guide, which summarizes all the components for the Peak Reader curriculum. Behind the purple tabs is the fluency component. You'll notice behind each of the tabs are directions for each of the components. Behind the red tab is the trail word list. These are instant words or sight words that we use most frequently in the English language. Behind the yellow tab are the Level 1 lessons. Each of the lessons focus on a specific skill that your student might need help with. The first lesson is the Short A lesson. Each of the lessons are 2 pages and have the same components. The second page is the activity page, which gives you the directions step by step and how to complete the lesson. Behind the blue tab are our Level 2 lessons. There are 34 lessons in this section. The skills are a little more complex, but again, the lessons are set up with 2 pages. First, the page with the story or some text that you will read to your student, and the second page is the activity page. Behind the last green tab is the resource section. These are reproducible pages that we will provide for you in your student folder. There is one page in this section that gives you a list of books that you can read with your student that goes along with the lessons. And that's the Peak Reader.